Yes, good morning, everyone. I will now focus on some technical topics. I have chosen 4 topics to be covered. I will show them on the screen. I have chosen 4 topics, and if you have some other topics to add here, please feel free to ask a question or type in a chat room those topics. But initially we have chosen those topics. First one, so-called sitting ducks, what they are and how to deal with them. Secondly, how to calculate different percentages from partner report expenditures. It goes especially for the office administration costs percentage. Third one, different possibilities to open partner report for editing. So basically sending back the report. And the fourth, very short and easy one, how to duplicate a checklist or parts of a checklist. So these are our topics I will cover, and let's go straight to the first one about sitting ducks. I will now share a screen and show you the eMS view. Now, do you see the dashboard of the eMS?
Yes.
It's an auditor's view, and as you probably know, you have already checked and certified reports. We will don't go through all the little details, but go straight to open the report and show you what are the so-called sitting ducks. We will go to the reporting, open FLC partner progress reports, and we will see one submitted report that is not audited yet. We'll open it, see the report narrative section. Here will be a list of expenditures and so on. So what are the sitting ducks? Sitting ducks are basically open and uncertified expenditure items from previous reports. There is a possibility to certify a report. I will show you the way how the sitting ducks can be created or what is needed for the sitting duck. Here we will see the partner report overview, and the first period report is certified by auditor. We will open the report. We will go to the list of expenditures. And you see we have here 3 expenditure items. One of them is yellow, and 2 of them are pink, in a pink color. These pink color expenditure items means that these are the sitting ducks, actually. And you can understand if we really scroll to the right to the column verified by FLC, we see that this orange expenditure item is verified by FLC, but the pink ones are not verified by FLC. These are not actually declared as ineligible as well. They are just sitting there. The report is certified. This one cost item is certified and it went to the payment. But these 2 items are sitting there and just waiting for the verification. So how can we deal with them in the next periods? We go out of this first period report. We will go to the next report that is submitted. Just a side note, in the meanwhile, the second period report, you see it's the state shows that it is submitted to the lead partner. It's a zero cost report, and it's not submitted to the auditor, but straight to the lead partner. It doesn't need any certification, and it is visible from the reporting overview, just like that. You can open it, you can see the narrative part, but you don't need to deal with anyway. But let's continue with the sitting tax. Now the third period report is submitted. You will open the report. Again, narrative part first opens first. And if we go to the list of expenditure, we see just the expenditures of this third period. But we want actually to see those first period expenditures that are not certified. We can see them by going to the FLC's documents here. And the first tab that opens this FLC expenditures shows the table open report expenditures. And here what is really important is this button, show all waiting to be verified, including open expenditures from other reports. And if we click this, I will urge you to click, or it's really necessary to click to be able to see these sitting tax. If we click this, the table changes, and we see additional columns here, especially the column other reports, in the brackets open expenditures. And from here, you see that the current report costs are displayed in the first column, and the second column, it's displayed the other report open expenditure items that are not certified. So from here, you can notice that there are sitting ducks actually. And to be able to certify those, you need to go to the total eligible expenditure to this magnifying glass. Click this. And all the uncertified expenditure items of this partner opens up, irrespective of the period. You see, this is the first period expenditure item in pink color, third period, again first period, third period, third period. And this way you can see and certify all the open expenditure items from previous reports as well. This is a little technical thing, but it is possible. Maybe we should go also show you we'll open one expenditure item, show you the possibilities to cut the costs, just in case. Verification can be done by ticking this verified by FLC. And if you think that some of the costs, not all of the costs, but some of the costs are ineligible, then you just need to insert into the field difference FLC the sum that you think that is ineligible. Let's say it's 500 is ineligible. We type in 500 and it shows that another 500 is eligible, is certified. And in that case, if you cut some costs, you need also to choose the correction type. This is important for the upcoming or the different statistical tables for the program. There you can choose what type of error it was. Why did you choose this correction? For example, maybe information and publicity error. You choose this one, and then also please provide a comment. What exactly was the issue? And there are, of course, the three different comment boxes and the brackets. These abbreviations show which users can see those comments. If you cut some cost, of course, partners should also see, the organization itself should see why it was cut, and you provide a comment here. If you have some comments that should be only visible by fellow auditors or only by the program authority users, then you should insert comments to the next comment fields. So this is about the ineligibility of costs. Now, second topic, how to calculate different percentages from partner report expenditures. As you know, the office administration costs are flat rate, certain percentage from the declared costs. And this can be calculated and shown by opening up this, going to the partner report and go to the partner report overview. Several tables will open up, and we are interested in now the table that shows the budget lines or budget headings view. And the currently declared costs are visible in this column, total amount currently declared to FLC. Also, the date is visible when the partner report is submitted. So by using this table, you can actually calculate the office administration costs. It doesn't calculate automatically here the percentages, but maybe just a hint, maybe the easier way is to export this table. By exporting it, opens up the same table in Excel. And in Excel, it's easy for you as an auditors to make the calculations and calculate the percentages. So this is about the percentages. Third topic, different possibilities to open partner report for editing. Let's go back to the partner report. Narrative part. This is just a test report that's it doesn't contain much information, but there are actually three possibilities to send back the report or let the partner to edit and add information. First one is the button here on the left, attachment upload section can be made open or closed. Right now, attachment upload is closed. This attachment upload, if you click on it, it will just turn into the allowed state. You see the mark here is different. And it goes for this tab. For the partner, then it is possible to add attachments to this attachment section without you to send back the report. You can keep the report, you can keep working with the report. Just if the partner has missing some documents, you can open up the attachments. Second option, just below the first one, expenditure attachment upload closed. Now the is closed. If we click on it, similarly, it turns into expenditure attachment upload allowed. Now this works with the expenditures. If we open up the list of expenditure, open up the certain expenditure item, and now here partner has an option to upload files. If the partner has missed to provide some documentation here, then without the need to revert the partner report, you can enable the partner to upload additional files. All the fields here remain locked. Partner cannot change those fields. It's locked anyway. And all the partner report and the expenditure item is locked. Only just the upload possibility is opened for them. And the third option is most powerful one, revert report from the FLC or auditor to PP or project partner. And by reverting, the partner report is editable. All fields are editable with one noticeable exception. If you have chose some expenditure items to be verified or have checked and marked as verified and saved this report, you see the verified expenditure item changes the color. This is verified. Then this expenditure item is not editable anymore. This is locked for partner. It is for your convenience. If you have checked and verified some expenditures, those are locked. You don't need to deal with them anymore. Just leave open those expenditure items that need to be edited and send back the report. Partner revises and submits again, and then you can continue working where you were previously interrupted this work. So 3 options: attachment upload, overall attachment upload, expenditure item attachment, and revert report. This was the third topic. And now the fourth topic, very easy one, how to duplicate checklists. We need to go to the checklists. To the left, we open the checklist view. It takes a bit time to load this checklist, but on the very top of the checklist, there is a button, duplicate checklist. You can choose 2 checklists available: investments and competitive price offers checklists. This is meant for if one report contains several investments or several procurements, then you need to check separately those ones. And it's not enough to have only one checklist, only one set of questions for those items. Then you just choose investment and click duplicate checklist. Yes. Now wait a bit if it loads. Second checklist. And if we go down, you see there are investment 1 and investment 2, the same questions. And on the top of those investment in the comment field, please specify which investment you are checking in these questions. So it was my planned part. Do you have any questions or something remained unclear? I'm happy to answer and sort out those things.
Thank you, Peep. I would like anybody who wants to ask something to raise hand or to write